What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video, today is Monday. Hope we're gonna get a beautiful trade today. We will see how everything was gonna end up, but how we can see right now, we did break the structure. Yeah, we pulled back. Yeah, the Asian London, and then London break this structure and the previous day low and the Asia low. So right now, and plus right now, made kind of a small pullback and broke even the London low. So right now what I'm gonna expect the price action to get here. The reason why here is sitting the EMAs, here are sitting the ICT, all the way up it sits the supply and demand traders, and at the same time the price action will gonna break this high. So we can take here bias towards where? The London high. It's very simple concept, it's nothing too crazy, and we will see how the price will gonna develop itself. If you like this content, guys, feel free to like it, comment, share with the people so a lot of people can see my analysis and my trades taken in the real time. So I will keep you guys posted. Guys, so we are in the trade right now. The price action literally just tapped into my zone, and right now I was expecting the price action to break these EMAs, come here to retest and move to the upside. Instead, the price action decided to reject, and that's fine, that's alright. The price action might gonna come back here somewhere, and if the price action will gonna get here, my stop loss is somewhere here in this area. If just in case the price action will decide to come here to stop me out, I'm gonna re-enter the trade. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Let me just show you guys. Basically the price action right now is sitting like that. So my stop loss is sitting around here. Yeah, you see. And right now what I'm expecting the price action to come and take this high. If the price action will be nice and sweet to come to get this high, it's gonna be a beautiful winning trade. If not, it's gonna come back. I'm gonna re-enter a trade and I'm gonna still trying to target this high. So we will see, guys, we'll see. I will keep you posted. Guys, I'm sad to say we had a little bit of positive PNL, but right now we are in a huge drawdown. So I don't know, I got feeling like this impulse is quite big. Right now I'm not gonna do nothing. Everything is fine with my trade. If the price action will gonna hit my stop loss, I'm gonna re-enter right here, and we're gonna aim for the same TP. So we will see how everything was gonna develop, and I will keep you as usual posted, guys. You can feel free to subscribe, to like it, and that's how it looks on my thing. So we will see. There's nothing else what we can do about it. So I will show you and I will keep you guys posted how the price action will develop. Guys, we did really get stopped out, unfortunately. There's nothing else what we can do about it. That's the trading. And right now I did enter somewhere here. I put my stop loss beneath here, and I'm gonna still aim for those highs. I'm not sure how this price action will develop itself. Right now it's still going strongly to the downside, how we can see here, but we're kind of right now sitting at this support or resistance, how you can see this zone. And I do hope the price action will gonna start moving to the upside, because that would be great. If not, then it's just gonna be another losing day in the pocket, and we're gonna move forward for tomorrow. There's nothing else what we can do about it. But for now, we are in this trade and we need to stay focused on the process. There's nothing else what we can do about it. So yeah, guys, I do really hope you guys enjoy it, and I will keep you posted with the results, obviously, as usual. You know, I don't really like to hide nothing. That's the reality of trading, and it's nothing else what we can, you know, predict and do anymore. Everything sets up perfectly, you know, all good. It's all about the when that win will gonna come. So we will see. Guys, we're back to break-even area, so we kind of had a huge pullback into our zone, and I really thought the price action was gonna hit my stop loss the second time, but it did reverse back. So right now we are sitting at the break-even stage, how we can see literally. So I do hope the price action will reverse and move to the upside. The reason why, because here is the same thing. We push up, yeah, the people thought like the price action changed. Right now everybody start buying, yeah, the price action pulled back, took this low. So obviously in the logic right now, due to the fact that it took this low, it is a big chance that the price action will reverse and move up to take this high. If it takes this high, then we good. If the price action will revert, if he takes this high, most likely it's gonna break it, retest this, and then move to take this. If not, then it's just gonna be a loser day, and we're just gonna lose 2 back-to-back trades. It is what it is, and we will move on. But the trade is still there, it's still active, so it's nothing to worry about for now. The only thing what we can worry about is to let the price action develop and the time go. I will keep you guys posted. Yeah, guys, it is what it is. We did get stopped out the second times, and yeah, guys, that's how trading is. I don't need to be sad or something. Everything went good the way how I thought. It wasn't that trade on the number that which is gonna be a winner, and it happened to be a loss back to back, and yeah, that's it. That's the trading, and that's what every trader should know about it. Like, no matter how good you are at the trading, all the time there it is gonna be a loss, no matter how good you are and how many times you did made your strategy, performance strategy. Always is gonna be a trade that is gonna be a L. You just have to take it how it is. If you did like this video, guys, feel free to like it, comment if you do have any question, and we'll see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.